Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send and get WhatsApp message for IndiaMART leads inquiries using AiSensy. So let's suppose I am running an industrial supplies business and I am receiving many leads and inquiries on my IndiaMArt. Now I want to send WhatsApp message to all of these leads and inquiries, and I also want to get the WhatsApp message giving me the details of these leads. As I completely want to automate this process, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMART and AiSensy. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here, as my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART from where I will receive new lead and the inquiries, and this complete workflow here will get triggered. And then in my action application, I am going to take AiSensy, with the help of which I am going to send messages to my leads. And then again AiSensy, with the help of which I am going to get the WhatsApp message giving me the details of the leads. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send and get WhatsApp message for IndiaMART leads and inquiries using AiSensy. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMART and AiSensy with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to provide the workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as Send and get WhatsApp message for IndiaMART leads inquiries using AiSensy. And now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this IndiaMART automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send and get WhatsApp message for IndiaMART leads inquiries, which means whenever a lead will be generated, a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead, and I will also receive the same lead giving me the details of this lead, which means whenever a IndiaMART lead will be generated, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So whenever a new lead is generated or the new inquiry is generated in IndiaMART, and then action says do this, then send and get WhatsApp message. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take this new leads. Now I have to make connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So reading the help desk given below, I will make this connection, and to make this connection, let me take you to my IndiaMART account. So this is my IndiaMART account, and this is the seller's dashboard of IndiaMART. On the left hand side, I can see all these options where I have to click on this lead manager. And then I have to click on this three dots where I can see this import export leads, and then I have to click on this push API. Now under this push API integration, I have to select the source, and from this drop down you can select the source. I want to select the source as other, and then I have to enter the CRM platform name, and then I have to enter the webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'll enter my CRM platform name, which is Pabbly Connect. And then in this webhook listener URL, I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. and then click on the save details. Now I have to provide the reason that why I want to connect my Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART. So in this drop down I can see all these reasons. Here I simply want to select this. I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance, and then I have to click on this click to generate OTP to add this webhook URL in my IndiaMART. So here my webhook URL is successfully been added, and now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and over here I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means so as to get the webhook response over here I need to do a test submission, for which I am going to enter some inquiries from the profile that I have created in IndiaMART to my business. So here I am going to open my profile in incognito mode, and from that profile I am going to send the inquiry to my business. So here I have opened my profile, and here you can see the name is this. Then the email address is latest@pabblytudes.com. Here is the address Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and then the company name is Latest Company. Now I am going to search for my business, which is, and then after searching for my business I simply have to click on this contact supplier, and over here I need to enter the query. So I'm going to enter my query as, so here I have entered my query. Hello, I am interested in purchasing all these items from your company. Could you please provide more information about the following? Looking forward to your response. Please let me know if you need any further details from my side. Thank you. And now I am going to click on the submit, and as this number is not a required field I am going to skip this and then click on the submit. I have successfully submitted my query to my business from this profile, and now Pabbly Connect should capture this response. So let's open my Pabbly Connect. And here I can see that I have received the response successfully with the unique query ID, and this unique query ID will be unique for every query that will be posted on my business. Now I have received the subject, then the sender state which was Madhya Pradesh, then the name was this. Then I have received the phone number, the email address was latest@pabblytudes.com, then the company was Latest Company, the city and the address was Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and then I have also received the other details. I have received my query which was this: I am interested in purchasing these items, could you please provide more information? So this is the same query that we entered and sent to my business, and I have received the same query in my Pabbly Connect. So this shows that the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART, that connection is successful, and now whenever someone will send the inquiry or whenever a new lead will be generated, I will start receiving the response in my Pabbly Connect. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I receive new lead or the inquiry, I want to send and get the WhatsApp message. So now let's scroll down, and in the action step I am going to take my action application as AiSensy, with the help of which I am going to send the WhatsApp message to this inquiry, and then in my action event I am going to take this send template message. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and to make this connection I have to enter the API key, and to enter this API key let's open my AiSensy account. So this is my AiSensy account. On the left hand side I can see all these options. Here I have to click on this manage, and then on the left hand side itself I can see this API key. So I will copy the API key, and then I am simply going to paste that API key over here and then click on this save. So WhatsApp by AiSensy is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is campaign name. So to enter this, let's open my AiSensy again, and then I have to click on this manage again, and then over here in this all I can see all the templates that have been created. If you want to create a new template, you simply have to click on this new on the top right corner, and then you have to select the template category, then you have to give the name to the template, then you have to select the type, and then over here you can draft the message, then you have to select the language, after which your template will be created successfully. So over here this is my template by the name IndiaMART Send 3. So let's open this template, and over here I have created this template hi demo. So this is the custom variable which will keep changing whenever I will receive the new lead with the name of that lead. So here this is hi demo. Thank you for your inquiry on IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our product service. We are happy to assist you with your requirement. Could you please share more details about your needs or let us know how we can help you further? Looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks. Best regards. So now I want to send the same exact message. So for that I have to create a campaign for this particular template. So here on the left hand side I will go on this campaigns option, and from this top right corner I can see this button of launch. I will open this, and then from here I have to click on this API campaign. Now from over here I need to select the template. So the template was IndiaMART send 3, and then I have to give the name to this campaign. So here I am going to copy this template, and then I am going to give the same name to the campaign, and then I have to click on the set live, and then after this my campaign will be live. Now as I have already created this campaign, as you can see over here, IndiaMART send 3, and if I open this campaign is live, and this is the same message that we have just seen. So now I have to copy the name of this campaign and then paste that in this field. So now after entering the campaign name, I have to enter the mobile number, then I have to enter the username. So I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So here, as I've received my response from IndiaMART, and when I click on this mobile number field, I can see this IndiaMART, and when I click on this, I will be able to find all the response that I have received from there. So I map my mobile number, and then I will follow the same process and enter the username, which was this one. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering my mobile number and the username, I have to enter the template parameter, and as reading this help desk, enter the parameter values to be filled in a template message here. Parameter value should be comma separated, example this. So over here, as you know that in this template that I have created, here the parameter value or the custom variable is only one, which is the name of the lead. So over here I am going to map the name of the lead, which is this one. Now over here, if I had many more template parameter, I should have put comma and then separated them and then map the other values. Now as I just have one, I am going to map the name of the lead. Now after entering all these details, as attributes, URL and file name are not required field, for now I am going to skip this. But if you want to enter these values, you can enter following the help desk given below. Now after entering all these required details, I am going to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see that I have received a positive response. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the message there or not. So over here I have successfully and instantly received the message, hi, and over here you can see that this name has been replaced with the name of the lead, and this is the same template that we have created in AiSensy. Thank you for your inquiry on IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our products, services. We are happy to assist you with your requirement. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks. Best regards. Now that I have sent the WhatsApp message, I also want to get the WhatsApp message giving me the details of the leads. So here I am going to add one more action step where I am going to search for AiSensy again, and then I am going to select my action event as send template message and then click on this connect. Now as I have already an existing connection, I am going to click on the save, and WhatsApp by AiSensy is connected with Pabbly Connect. Here I need to enter the campaign name. So let's open my AiSensy and I will follow the same process. First, let's open my manage section and the template section, and over here I have created this template by the name IndiaMART 3. So over here I have created this message, hello, we have received new lead inquiry. Here are the details, name, phone and email. So over here in this template, these all are the custom variables. So now I have also created the campaign for this by the name IndiaMART receive 3, and here you can see that this is the same message. So now I am going to simply copy the name of this template and paste that over here in this field, and then I have to enter the mobile number. So as I have sent the inquiry from my own profile and my own number, I have received the response as my phone number only. So there I mapped my own phone number and show you the WhatsApp message. Now as I have to show you the WhatsApp message again, I am going to again enter my own phone number, this particular WhatsApp number over here. And then after entering my phone number, I have to enter the username. So as I want to send this WhatsApp message to myself, I am going to enter the username as test, as this is a required field and I cannot leave this blank. So now as I have the template parameters, over here in this template we can see that we have 3 template parameters, which is name, phone and email. So now I am going to map this. So the first one is name. So let's map my name as, then put comma, then space, and then we have phone number. So here I have mapped the template parameter. The first one was the name, the second was phone number, and then the third was email, and I have separated them with the help of comma. Now I am going to skip these fields, attributes, URL and file name, and then I am going to simply click on the save and send test request. Here I can see that I have received the response. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received this message there or not. So here I have received this message also. Hello, we have received new lead inquiry. Here are the details, and then I have received the rest of the details. So now to summarize, we took IndiaMART as our trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. I created a profile and submitted an inquiry from my own profile to my business and then received the response in Pabbly Connect. After that, I took action application as WhatsApp by AiSensy, with the help of which I am going to send WhatsApp message to that lead. So here I entered the campaign name, then entered the phone number and then the name of the lead, and then simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response. After which I also wanted to receive the message giving me the details of the lead. So I again took WhatsApp by AiSensy as my next action application, where I made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the campaign name, and then entered the mobile number, and then I entered the template parameter, which was name, phone and email, and simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response. So we have successfully created automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp by AiSensy with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.